This channel today's lesson is translate. So any view to move and center origin to translate is X and Y to move any position. So I have already created image view, background is white main view, and adding image view as a main view, and this is adding touch begin method. This is by default provide in view controller delegate. So this is here I have center point to adding our image view, and I am this view to use delegate method is a click event to every click to call this touch begin method. This is, are you watch and see? So every click in our view, so call this function. So every click to move this position X and Y coordinate. So image view, this is main image view dot transform. This is class of CGAffineTransform equal to image view dot transform and translated by this is 10 and 0. So this is X axis move in center point plus 10 10 10 10 every click to adding 10 10 10, and Y is 0. So move is horizontally left to right side. This is click, every click to move 10x coordinate position, increase every time 10 10 10, and this is a minus, so right to left side move over image view, and this 0 and 10. The 0 is horizontal not move, move is vertically to top to bottom, and this is a minus 10 to move bottom to top position, and move X and Y axis, so 10 10 to move center to bottom right corner. This is in both of minus to move center to top left corner, and this is X plus and minus. So every time change this position to this as per your requirement to set X and Y axis. So move is top right side is a 10 plus and X axis, and Y 10 minus, and X minus 10 and plus Y 10. So this move is bottom left. Run our project. The move is bottom left. So thank you watching this video. Like video, share video, and subscribe this channel. Hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.